There are 3 sets of friends you must not ignore this year. This set of 3 people, you must not ignore them in your life, because these people mean well for you. Try to do everything possible to not to ignore these people. Number 1, those people that were there for you when you have nothing, when you were nobody. Those people that were there for you, go and look for them. Don't ignore them. Number 2, those people that always call you just to check on you. They did not call to ask for nothing. They just call to check on you. Those set of people, don't ignore them this year. Look for them. Those people that always call you when you have nothing, don't ignore those people this year. So, and number 3, who is that person that can stand beside you if you are in the hospital bed today? Who is that person that can be able to sit beside you? Think of that person. Don't ever forget that kind of person. Thank you.